Chaos affecting the metal and engineering industry's bargaining council looks set to continue. Yesterday's Labour Court ruling in favour of employer body NEASA is a major setback for the council. An agreement was reached after the 4-month-long manufacturing strike in July. But NEASA, that represents smaller steel and engineering firms, was not party to that deal and has been resisting complying. The ruling now prevents the council from requesting the Minister of Labour to extend that wage agreement across the industry.
An ongoing battle with no signs of ending. NEASA has hailed yesterday's court ruling as a major victory for its struggle against labour and big business. But the SABC says divisions in the council are causing chaos and hurting the industry.
I'm very much disappointed because we need to make sure that the agreement that has been concluded in the industry is extended to the entire industry and make sure that there is a fair competition. We can't have a situation where some employers are paying more and others are paying less.
The ruling means for now, NEASA members are not forced to pay their employees the 10% wage increase agreed between SABC and NUMSA. It also means NEASA's lockout of NUMSA members continues.
More or less so far, those that we have got in our data, it's about 500 compared to what they claim to employ of 50,000. It's only 500 that's still locked out, and those employers who are still, arrogant and rigid.
NEASA and the council will go back to the Labour Court on the 4th of November to argue their case. NEASA says it's confident it will prevail again.
We wouldn't have brought this case if it wasn't for the fact that we know what we know. If we say the council is not constituted properly, we know it is true, that we have the proof of that. If we say the parties making the decision does not have the numbers required by the Labour Relations Act to make a request to the Minister, we know we're right.
If the court finds against the council, it will send the industry in a state of turmoil. It will mean that many of the decisions taken by the council this year could be rendered null and void. SABC News, Johannesburg.